May your unfailing love come to me, O Lord, your salvation according to your promises. And I will answer to the one who taunts me, and I will trust in your word. Do not snatch the word of truth from my mouth, for I have put your hope in your law. I will always obey your law forever and ever. And I will walk about in freedom, for I have sought out your precepts. I will speak of the statutes before kings, and will not be put to shame. For I delight in your commands, because I love them. I'll lift up my hands to your commands, which I love, and I will meditate on your decrees. May your unfailing love come to me, O Lord, your salvation according to your promise. May your unfailing love come to me, O Lord, your salvation according to your promise.